Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're making a fun summer grilling recipe called Cedar Plank Potatoes. Soft and creamy on the inside with a golden crust and just a hint of that cedar plank flavor. It's a fantastic recipe that's easy and perfect for summer. What makes these potatoes wonderful is the recipe is easily halved or doubled depending on your situation, and they can be made ahead and then grilled when you're ready. The recipe today starts by roasting a head of garlic. It provides tremendous flavor to the potatoes and is easy to do. You'll simply cut about 1/4 inch off the top of a whole garlic head. Place on a double sheet of aluminum foil, drizzle with olive oil, and wrap up tightly. Bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 45 minutes. The cloves should be just slightly golden, tender, and easily come out of the casing. Next, you'll want to soak 1 to 2 cedar planks for about an hour while we make the potatoes. I'm using a russet potato today, which are nice for mashed potatoes, but I have used a red potato for this recipe, and it works just as well. You'll want to cut your potatoes in uniform chunks that are about 2 inches wide. Place your potatoes in cool, lightly salted water. Heat to a simmer and allow to cook until very tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Drain the potatoes well and return back to the pot over low heat. Mashing the potatoes over low heat before adding any other ingredients allows the excess moisture to evaporate off. The drier potato mashes better as well, will absorb more butter, cream cheese, and/or milk. And to the mashed potatoes, we're going to add our roasted garlic, the whole head, for lots of garlic flavor. And roasting the garlic really helps to mellow the sharpness of the garlic. Along with all that garlic, you're going to add 4 ounces of herb and garlic cream cheese, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, preferably at room temperature, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And then mash everything together until smooth. At this point, you'll want to taste the potatoes and adjust your salt and pepper to your liking. I find freshly chopped herbs are especially nice in these potatoes. Today I'm using parsley and dill. I have about 1 tablespoon of each. Freshly snipped chives are also nice. And fold them in. At this point, you can scoop your potatoes onto a clean tray up to a day in advance. And if you're ready to grill, scoop onto your pre-soaked cedar plank. The recipe will yield about 12 to 14 1/4 cup scoops. I can generally fit about 8 on a cedar plank. I have my grill preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're going to go ahead and put our plank on and cook for 18 to 20 minutes until golden and heated through. Brush with melted butter for a golden top. Cedar planks are for more than just salmon. Buttery and golden on the outside and a soft, delicious, creamy inside. Cedar plank potatoes. It's a great summer grilling recipe, full of flavor, and can be made in advance and simply put on the grill when you're ready. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.